Hi teacher and everyone. Uh, Today I'm going to make Lukma popsicles. For Lukma popsicles, I use two Lukmas, milk and sugar and mineral water. First, using the knife, I peel the Lukma. Then I remove the Lukma seed and clean it using my hands. Next, I pour milk in the mixer and then add the chopped lukma. With spoon, add sugar. Finally, pour mineral water and blend fruit very well. And then I put the contents into a jar. I remove with spoon and then put it into a small plastic bags. Finally, it's ready to be refrigerated. It will be ready to eat tomorrow.